Hi, I'm John Nolan, Portfolio Real Estate Group. We're here in South Pointe in Mansfield, Texas. This is Grand Homes. Let's go check out what they have here. You just follow me this way. This is the 4-bed, 3-bath that they have. You'll see a ton of beautiful features moving on the ceiling, beautiful floors, built-ins throughout the home. Here you have another office as well. The community features over 700 acres, trails, ponds, a lot of features. You'll see these huge windows up with that beautiful pool. See up really high ceilings, beautiful countertops in the kitchen. Again, in here you have these beautiful light fixtures, gas lean stove, beautiful bay window. And then we'll head this way. We'll go towards the primary bath, or primary room downstairs. We'll head out there at the end. As you come in here, you'll notice a lot of features again on the ceiling, light fixtures, beautiful floors, bench, this sliding door that leads you into your primary bath, which is stunning. We'll head out back here towards the stairs. You'll see the beautiful spiral staircase going up. And we'll take you to some more bedrooms up here. In here we have a couple of bonus rooms, features. Again, a lot of square footage for pool tables, theater rooms, etc. Beautiful high ceilings and large windows. And up here you'll have more bedrooms. These bedrooms are actually pretty good size for this square footage of a home. You can have a Jack and Jill bath, and even a whole nother bonus room. Again, you can make it a theater, playroom, whatever you like. I love the details in the fixtures. Grand does a great job in the details of their home. And over here you'll have another secondary bath, full bath, 2 more bedrooms here as well. And then let's go downstairs and check out the backyard and the pool. Okay, with this one we actually have these doors that will collapse. It's like it's loud. We have the indoor-outdoor option. Yeah. Do that. Yeah, it is. Yeah, they're fully collapsible. Outdoor fireplace, which is stunning. Now the lots are not huge here, but you get a lot of house and a lot of entries. And again, a ton of community features. They do community events year round. Next time, we're just walking through so you can do. Thanks for taking this tour with us. I'm John Nolan with Portfolio Real Estate Group. I'll see you next time.